Number 5 is Canon all-in-one printer. Introducing the ultimate sublimation printer under $400 that will bring your creativity to life with vibrant and professional results. Say hello to the Canon all-in-one printer, the perfect companion for all your printing needs. This remarkable device combines the functionalities of a copier, scanner, fax machine, and auto document feeder, making it a versatile powerhouse in one compact package. With its advanced sublimation technology, this printer guarantees exceptional print quality, leaving you in awe. Whether you're printing stunning photos or important documents, the Canon all-in-one printer delivers unmatched precision and clarity thanks to its innovative 6-color individual ink system. But it doesn't stop there. The Canon all-in-one printer is packed with features that make printing a breeze. Navigate effortlessly through its intuitive 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen, where you'll find many convenient options such as Bluetooth printing, memory card slots, and an auto-expandable output tray. Plus, with wireless connectivity, you can easily print directly from your smartphone, tablet, or any of your favorite devices thanks to the Canon Print app, Apple Airprint, and Mopria. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer under $400. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.